After you made adjustments, as a second step, you need to do adjustment. So you will have opening balance, and then you will subtract the charges. Why? Because the bank already recorded these charges, but you did not record them yet. So therefore, you must correct them. Then the no sufficient funds check. Bank tried to get money for you on your behalf, was not successful, and so already recorded these charges related to non-collection of cash. But you have not done it yet because you do not know about this yet. So therefore, you will deduct these charges made by the bank, say, few days before you. The bank already do the bank memorandum where just printing, for example, not do it yet. So they're subtracted as well. The bank already recorded the interest. You earn some interest. You do not know about this yet. So therefore, now you will also collect the various reports. Therefore, you will add to your overview of notes. And if you made any errors on your part, not on the part of the bank, then you need to record these errors. Add or subtract. Then you will get just more to adjust per books with adjusted balance per bank. If the label was done correct, then you need to do so. This balance bank books. So let's look at the example. Look at the example. So various information is given to you. The most important stuff in balance the balance and really there will be some. It's not just indicated directly as deposit in transit. It's something like this. Just a moment. What item is that? I think it's item number 9. So 1,450 was deposited at the bank on the morning of 1st of September. But on 31st of August, the company already recorded it, which means the bank has not recorded it yet. Therefore, 1,450 must be added. Then, regarding outstanding checks, the company wrote checks, 50,000 overall, the total number of. On 31st of August, $3,021 worth of checks have not been cleared by the bank. So company has recorded, but bank has not recorded it yet. Actually, 3,020 and plus another 200. So company only deducted the payment because the writing the checks means that company is making the payment. So the company has deducted that money, treated it as an expense, but bank has not done it yet. So therefore, bank needs to deduct this amount of 3,221. And then regarding bank errors, actually item 10 talks about the discrepancy between bank balance and book balance, but we need to determine who made the error. So if error is 0, it means the company made the error. But if it was the error made by the bank, then you would put something here and 0 in the company error. So that way you got adjusted correct balance per bank. Per book. And